Hey there. I've been reading about Libya recently and I'm quite intrigued by the linguistic diversity there. Did you know that Libya is home to several languages spoken by different ethnic groups?
Absolutely. Libya is a melting pot of cultures and languages. Arabic is the official language, but there are also significant populations speaking Berber languages like Tamazight. The Berber community has a rich cultural heritage, and their languages play a vital role in preserving their traditions.
I heard there are also communities speaking Tebu, Tuareg, and Domari languages. It's fascinating how such a relatively small country can host so many distinct linguistic groups.
Yes, exactly. The Tebu people mainly reside in the southeastern region of Libya and speak the Tebu language, which is an Ilo-Saharan language. Tuareg, on the other hand, is spoken by the Tuareg ethnic group, primarily found in the southwestern parts of Libya. Domari, although spoken by a smaller community, is another significant language in the country.
It must be challenging to maintain the cultural and linguistic diversity with so many different languages. I wonder how the education system in Libya addresses this diversity.
That's a great point. The Libyan education system primarily uses Arabic as the medium of instruction, but efforts have been made to incorporate other languages into the curriculum, especially in regions where non-Arabic languages are spoken widely. Bilingual education programs are crucial in preserving the cultural identity of these communities.
I've read that Arabic in Libya has its unique dialects too, like Libyan Arabic, which differs significantly from the standard Arabic. It's interesting how languages evolve within specific regions.
Absolutely. Libyan Arabic has its distinct vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar rules. It's a testament to the adaptability of languages, how they can change and take on unique characteristics based on the region and its history. This linguistic diversity reflects Libya's rich historical and cultural heritage.
I wonder, how does this linguistic diversity affect daily life in Libya? Are there any specific challenges or advantages associated with having such a variety of languages spoken within the country?
Well, linguistic diversity can be both a challenge and an advantage. On one hand, it fosters a sense of cultural pride and heritage among different communities. It also allows for a deeper understanding of the country's history and traditions. However, it can pose challenges in communication, especially in official and administrative matters. Standardizing languages for official use while preserving cultural diversity is a delicate balance that needs to be maintained.
That's a valid point. I can imagine that finding this balance is crucial not only for the preservation of languages, but also for fostering unity among the diverse population of Libya.
Absolutely. Unity is key. Embracing linguistic diversity can promote inclusivity and tolerance among different ethnic groups. It's essential for the government and society to recognize the value of each language and work towards ensuring that no language or culture is marginalized.
I completely agree. It's heartening to see that efforts are being made to preserve and promote these languages. I've heard that there are cultural organizations and initiatives in Libya working towards language preservation. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, there are indeed various cultural organizations and initiatives in Libya that focus on language preservation and promotion. These organizations often collaborate with local communities to document oral traditions, folklore, and languages. Additionally, there are educational programs and workshops aimed at teaching younger generations about their native languages and cultures. These efforts play a vital role in ensuring the survival of these languages for future generations.
It's wonderful to hear that there's active participation from both the government and civil society in preserving these languages. Language is such an integral part of a community's identity, and it's heartening to know that there are dedicated efforts to safeguard this heritage.
Absolutely, and the passion of the people involved in these initiatives is truly inspiring. It's not just about preserving words. It's about preserving stories, traditions, and the unique worldview that each language carries. These efforts contribute significantly to the cultural tapestry of Libya.
I couldn't agree more. Language is not just a means of communication. It's a repository of history, culture, and identity. Preserving linguistic diversity is essential for maintaining the rich tapestry of humanity. It's been enlightening discussing this topic with you, and I have a much deeper understanding of the linguistic landscape in Libya now.
I'm glad we had this conversation. It's always enriching to explore the diverse cultures and languages that make our world so vibrant. If you have any more questions or want to delve deeper into any aspect of Libyan languages or culture, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.